Former Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro appeared in federal court again in Lower Manhattan today as the judge heard arguments over who exactly will pay his legal fees.
Bauman was there and joins us now to break it all down. Allie.
Well, Dick and Jessica, generally defendants have the right to use their own money to pay for their own legal defense. But the judge in this case is weighing whether Nicolas Maduro can use Venezuelan government money to pay his legal fees here in New York. The judge did not make a decision in court today, but he did emphatically declare he is not going to dismiss the case. Nicolas Maduro and wife Celia Flores wore prison garb and headphones for translation to their pre-trial appearance Thursday. This was the Maduro's first time back in court since the former Venezuelan president and first lady were captured by U.S. military forces back in January. They have pled not guilty to drug trafficking and narco-terrorism charges. In a Manhattan courtroom Thursday, the defense argued their clients should be allowed to use Venezuelan government funds to pay for their own legal team, rather than use public defenders.
If the defense can show that not all the funds are from drug trafficking, there's some legitimate funds within that, then they would have every right to apply for that.
Prosecutors, however, argued U.S. sanctions on Venezuela prevent the defendants from using their government's funds, though the 92-year-old judge seems skeptical of that argument, as the U.S. has loosened sanctions on Venezuela since Maduro's capture.
So the question becomes, is Maduro able to access the funds belonging to a foreign government? And that issue has not been decided by the courts.
Outside the courthouse, protesters gathered both in support and against Maduro.
The U.S. has no right to violate Venezuelan sovereignty and to dictate anything about Venezuelan politics.
I'm here because my country, I want freedom for my country. That's why I'm here today.
Well, the judge did not say when he will make his decision. At the end of the hearing, Celia Flores' attorney raised that she is experiencing health issues at the Brooklyn Detention Center, where she and her husband are being held, and said she urgently needs an echocardiogram, which the government is supposed to help facilitate.
Oh, thanks, Sally.